how to put line through text in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, I just take the blank page. Okay, so I write something here. Okay, so just select the text here and go to the format, and go to the format and go to the text. Under text you can see the option called strike through. You can use the shortcut keys, which is alt plus shift plus y. Just hit that, then the line through the text will be appear. Now you can see the line through the text has been done. But when you continue the typing on same docs, this line will be continue. If you want to discontinue it, just go again there and just click again on strike through, then your normal text will be continue. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.